porridge forgot our supper again.
And am I hungry? I can eat it. He's getting up again.
Feed Churchkitten. Feed Church Mouse. Milk for Churchkitten. Cheese for Church Mouse.
I'm gonna do something desperate. Stop, Peter. It wouldn't be polite. That's the second time tonight Parson P's porridge forgot to feed us. We ought to wake him up. I'm thinking. Thinking? What with? That's it. I'll have to get me a thinking cap. A what? A thinking cap. To put on and help me think with. Well, Peter, how do you like my thinking cap? What's that stuffed bird sitting in it for? Well, only yesterday, I heard Parson P's porridge say a little bird told him who ate the pink bath soap. Oh, yes, yes. It was very appetizing soup. Well, this little bird is going to tell me important things, too. Like how to wake up Parson. Exactly. Now, think. You know, Gabe, it's kind of cold out tonight. And Parson P's porridge hates the cold, but I mean hates it. So, if we hide his slippers and open that side door, when he gets up, the cold air might wake him. Might wake him. Say, I've got an idea. You know how Parson P's porridge hates the cold? Well, suppose we hide his slippers and open that side door. Then when he gets up, the cold air might wake him. What do you think? That's just what I was saying. Shh, he's getting up.
Feed Churchkitten. Feed Church Mouse. Rafty. Feed Churchkitten. Feed Church Mouse.
Hiya, Gabriel. Hiya, Peter.
Hello, Trumpet.
Parson Peace Porridge can't see a thing without his glasses.
Uh-huh.
So, if we hide him, he'll probably bump into something. Wake up and feed us!
Wake up and feed us. Say, Peter, I was thinking. You know, Parson Peace Porridge can't see a thing without his glasses, huh? So, if we hide them, he'll probably bump into something, wake up and feed us.
That's just what I was hoping.
He's getting up again.
Feed Churchkitten. Feed Church Mouse.
It didn't work. An idea! An idea! Now he's at the cupboard. He's getting milk for Gabriel. Oh. Now he's getting cheese for Peter. Think! Gabriel, think of something! Now he's starting to drink Gabriel's milk. Quiet, Peter. Quiet, Trumpet. Trumpet!
Well, I'll be twitched. No wonder I haven't any appetite. I've been walking in my sleep and eating your supper. Well.
Say, Gabriel, whatever gave you the idea of blowing in Trumpet's ear?
Oh, I just remembered a sermon where Parson Peace Porridge said, in the end, Gabriel shall blow on trumpet. So, I just blew.